Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to get started on some math today. And we're going to do things a little differently. I have this rainforest worksheet that has really cool facts. And to get the answer, you have to do the math correctly. So we're going to work our way through these questions together. And so it's a little bit different than what we usually do, but it'll be fun. And we'll learn a little something about the rainforest when we do our math. Okay? Sound good? All right. All right, it says, what is 11 minus 3? We have to figure that out so that we can get the fact. 11 minus 3. That's going to be super easy. If you put 11 in your head and you count back 3 spots, right? 11, 10, 9, 8, right? Let's try that again. 11 minus 3, go back 3. 11, 10, 9, 8. Make sure you go backwards and not forward. You're not adding. All right, so it says 11 minus 3 is 8. So then we have a new fact. See how that works? See, I'm going to put the answer there. 8. That's horrible. It's 3. No, it is 8. I was right. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, so we have our answer is 8. Okay, it says the tropical rainforest receives 4 to 8 meters of rain per year. That's higher than a 2-story building. Okay, so most of our houses are 1 story. So think of a 2-story building that has 2 floors, kind of like 2 floors of the hospital. And that's how much rain they get in a year. That's a lot of rain. And that was a super easy question for math, wasn't it? All right, it says 7 minus 2. Oh, I gave you the answer. 7 minus 5. 7 fingers minus 5 is what? 2. That's an easy one. But that's a fact that you should know super fast and not have to think too much about. All right, 7 minus 5 is 2. So if we put the 2 in there, we're going to learn a new fact. Trees in the rainforest grow roots. You know what the roots are. Grow roots above ground because only 2 inches of soil have food for plants. So I told you this is very unusual. Only 2 inches of dirt, of soil, are in the rainforest. That's why when you go to the rainforest, the tree roots don't go under the dirt because there's not that much of it. So their roots grow out this way. So if you're walking in the rainforest on the forest floor, you might trip over those roots, the tree roots. Yeah, so that's a cool, interesting fact. All right, let's see. Hercules beetles, that's those beetles. I showed you a picture of them a while back. Hercules beetles grow to be 5 or blank inches long. So first we have to do the fact. I forgot. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Super easy. You could do it 2 ways. Well, you should know it fast, but if you can do it 2 ways. You can put 9 in your brain and count back 3 spots, or use your fingers. 9 fingers, take away 3, or minus 3, is 6. 9, go back 3. 9, 8, 7, 6. Either way, you're going to get 6. That's where we get our fact for the Hercules beetle. I'm going to put a 6 in there. Hercules beetles can grow to be about 5 or 6 inches long. They look like knights in shining armor, and they have large pincers. Those pincers are the claws, and heavy shells. But I told you, they're like a dinner plate walking towards you. Yeah, they probably look like little monsters. All right, the next one is 11 minus 8. Oh, no. A big number minus a big number. 11 minus 8. Now you could pretend 11 is like 10 with a little imaginary finger for 11 and take away 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you would get how many? 3, which is true. But if I have a big number minus a big number, you know Miss Herbal, I like to do it this way, but it's up to you. You can put the 8 in your head and count to 11 to find out the missing part. 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 would be my answer. Okay, that's two different ways to do 11 minus 8 is 3. And then we're gonna get a fact about the sloth right here. It says, the sloth has only 3 toes. It crawls upside down on the branches, and there are 3 sharp claws for hanging on upside down. Okay? All right. The next fact is about a toucan, which we just learned about. I just did that lesson. And the question, oh, I'm not even going to write this down because it's too easy. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Easy one. Toucans have a 5-inch beak, which is almost as long as their whole body. Remember, their beaks are as long as their bodies? Or almost. Super crazy, huh? All right, the next one says 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5? Well, when I make 9, I always do finger flash. I do this, 5 and 4. So what's 9 minus a 5? 4. Easy one. Rainforests have 4 layers that have different animals live in each layer. Do you remember the 4 layers? There's what? Let's look. There's the emergent layer. That's 1. The canopy. That's 2. The understory. That's 3. And then the forest floor. That's 4. And look, there's that Hercules. Where is he? Oh, there's the sloth. There's the sloth. And there's the Hercules beetle. Do you see him? Yeah, Hercules beetle. All right. I got people texting me. All kinds of crazy stuff. Okay, we got 2 more to go, guys. So 4 layers of the rainforest. We did that one. Okay. A spider monkey is the next one. That's that one with the long tail. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. Well, 8 minus 6 away is 2. Good job. All right, a spider monkey's body is only 2 feet long, but its tail is even longer. So 2 rulers is a spider monkey's body, and then his long skinny tail is 2 feet long too. All right, last one. 12 minus 2. I hear Mr. Zerbal coming in. He's going to interrupt my lesson. And it's about the trees. All right, so 12 minus 2. So I always think of 12 and go back 2 spots. 12, 11, 10. Did you get 10? And I always think of 12 as a 10 and 2 ones. So 12 minus 2 is going to be that 10. Okay? Some trees grow to be 10 meters thick. That's as wide as 6 cars placed together. So the trees get so wide that you could take one car, your car, and park. You know, if we had 6 cars in Walmart's parking lot or school's parking lot next to each other, 6 cars wide is how wide the trees are. That's crazy and amazing. I know. So I hope you learned a little bit about math strategies and a little bit about rainforest facts, right? All right, and keep learning.